This is PJC Global. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do well to like this video, subscribe and share. Today I'm going to show you how I personally predict the trading chart using SAU USD, for example, popularly known as gold. As you all can see, gold is bearish for a very period of time. Gold has been selling uh, since 2nd of March. Gold has been selling up to date. So gold has been creating a series of lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So gold break this particular zone here. Gold break this particular low here to give us a break of structure. So after gold break this particular low here, I'm also waiting for a pullback for gold to pull. I'm waiting for gold to pull up to this particular zone here to give us another impulsive move for us to have that cycle of lower low. So when gold push up to this particular zone, gold break this particular low here. Gold break this particular low here to give us a new break of structure, as you can see. So when gold break this particular structure here, I've already anticipated that gold should also pull up. I've already anticipated that gold should pull up to any of this POI here, any of this particular POI, this particular other block, or this particular other block before gold should sell again. But what I already anticipated, or what I don't want for what gold to do is, I don't want gold to break above this particular high here. For gold to maintain the bearish move, I don't want gold to break above this high here, because if gold should break above this particular high here, automatically gold might be selling, gold might be buying. So for that downtrend to continue, for that cycle of downtrend to continue, I want gold to use any of this POI here in this particular zone, in this particular area, to sell again. But gold use this tiny, this is daily time frame. Gold use this tiny order block here to sell. But if you scale down to H4 time frame, you can see clearly this other block here. So let's go to our lower time frame, which is H4 time frame. So on a 4 hours time frame, as you can see, on a 4 hours time frame, gold use this particular other block here to sell, to take out this particular low, So but what I've already anticipated that, and the reason why I entered this particular trade here is, since gold print out my strategy that I trade in this particular zone here, so I wanted to take this particular trade here to sell. Like I want to do buy to sell, but it is very dangerous here. But the reason why this particular gold, this particular chart hits stop loss, or this particular setup hits stop loss, is because of I didn't picture out the bigger time frame. I didn't scale down to a daily time frame to go and see the bigger picture. It is when I hit stop loss that I went to more deep to know the reason why I hit this stop loss. And when I scaled down to my daily time frame, I figured out that this particular zone here is a daily strong zone, a daily order block zone, 2025 order block zone. This is the reason why gold used this particular zone here to buy. The buy that I wanted gold to do in this particular zone, gold did it in this area, in this particular order block here. So that is the reason why I hit stop loss in this particular zone. So as soon as I hit stop loss in this particular zone, I scale down on a lower in a bigger picture on a daily time frame, and I figure out that this zone is a daily 2025 order block. So when gold come to this particular zone here, I went scale down to my lower time frame on a H1. I scale down to my lower time frame on a H1. When gold hits this particular zone here, I went to my lower time frame to check for my confirmation entry. So gold printed my strategy that I trade the confirmation entry, and I entered from this order block here, targeting this particular order block, this sell order block here. This is a sell order block. This is a sell order block. Sell order block. Sell OB. So this is a sell order block. I take this trade from here to target this sell order block, because I know that since we are bearish and gold might likely use this order block to sell, or use this particular order block to sell, or this particular zone. But what I know is that gold is going to sell. So this is 1:7 RR. My maximum risk to reward is 1:5 RR, but anything other than that, I am always very, very careful when I'm scaling up. So I already know that gold will use this particular zone to sell. That is why I targeted this particular area for my take profit, and gold also hits my take profit before selling down again. So when gold hits my take profit, gold also come to this particular zone here, also tap into this particular 2025 order block here. This is a very, very strong zone. You can a support zone. Gold come to this particular 2025 daily support zone and push up to this particular zone here. And when gold push up to this particular zone, I already know that since we are bearish, I'm looking for that impulsive move to happen, impulsive movement to happen on a gold. So when gold comes to this particular daily 2025 zone, I've already mapped out my POI that I am waiting or anticipating that gold will likely reach before retracing back, before giving me that impulsive movement. So when gold comes to this particular, I map this particular zone, this particular order block here. I also map this particular order block, this is a daily time frame. I also map out this particular order block here. So patiently waiting for gold to pick any of this particular zone and sell. So when gold comes to this particular zone here, gold print out the strategy that I trade, and I short this gold to this particular zone. So when gold comes to this particular zone, it seems like I screenshot it. Let me go to my file and check before. Downloaded. So when gold come to this particular area, when gold come to this particular zone, this is a H1 time frame, as you all can see. When gold come to this particular zone here, gold print out, give me the strategy that I trade. After giving me the strategy that I trade, because I saw an FVG in this particular zone here, and I saw an order block, a valid order block in this particular zone, I wrote that my main TP is supposed to be here. Anything below it is not guaranteed, because I was not so certain that gold will take out this particular order block here. So that is why I said that my main TP is this order block. After gold might fill this AVG here, I also want gold to touch this particular zone here to buy again, but anything below it is not guaranteed. So, but peradventure, gold market did what is in their mind. They hit this TP, they fill up this AVG also take out this particular order block, because the same momentum, the same movement is very strong and very active. That is why they are able to take out this AVG here and take out this particular lows here. So let's go to our chart and see it on the H1 time frame. So on the H1 time frame, this is the chart, this is the trade, and this is the setup. When gold come to this particular zone here, which is my daily POI, I scale down on my lower time frame to go and check the strategy. This is what we call a sniper entry. Yeah, this is pure sniper entry. So I map out my strategy that I trade on the lower time frame for a stronger confirmation to know that gold is the gold sell we hold. So when gold come to this particular zone here, you take out the liquidity, touch my POI. This is order block. This is order block. Touch my order block and sell immediately without no wasting time. Yeah, this is a sniper entry. As you all can see, when gold come to this particular zone, you just tap into the order block. You just tap into the order block. You just tap into the order block and sell immediately, giving me 1:5 ROI, which is my maximum risk to reward. And this particular zone here is the area that I said that gold, I don't this area is where I said that it is not guaranteed that gold might likely take out this low, because I'm not too certain. But after gold hit my target, gold push up again. So on a daily time frame, the low that gave us that impulsive move, gold haven't taken out that low yet, so which is this particular low. So this is the low that gave us this impulsive movement, this sniper entry that I catch here. This is the low that gave us this sniper entry. So this for gold to continue its bearish movement, gold have to take out this particular low to give us a new break of structure or a new lower low. But if peradventure, because I map out this other block also here, if peradventure gold should come down to this particular zone, give me my strategy that I trade, I'm going to long gold to take out this particular high here. I'm going to long gold to take out this particular high here, or maybe gold is going up to take to respect this particular zone here to sell again. But if gold didn't give me the strategy that I trade in this particular zone here, gold will likely 90% likely going to take out this low to create a new break of structure or to create a new lower low. So basically this is how I read or predict the trading charts, and also how I manage to get my sniper entry, and also how I manage to get my 1:5 ROI, which is my maximum risk to reward. If you are risking $100 in this particular trade, you are going to get $500. That is what it simply means for people that don't know what is called risk to reward. It simply means what you are risking in the return of what you want to get. You understand? You risk $100, which is 1%, and you are targeting $500, which is 5% of your equity. So this is what it simply means, 1:5 ROI. So this is how I managed to get my 1:5 ROI using the method of predicting the trading chart. This is the end of today's video and what I'm anticipating maybe gold should do this week or next week. If you find this video more educative, do well to subscribe to PJC Global, turn on the notification bell so that you will not miss any of my posts whenever I upload it. Like this video and comment. And if you want to learn how I analyze gold or analyze any other currency pair, or how I managed to get my 1:5 ROI or sniper entry, you want to learn my strategy, do well to hit me on my direct inbox and comment that you want to learn, so that I can teach you perfectly how to understand the forex market, and also how to get 1:5 ROR or target 1:4 ROR, or get a sniper entry. And if you find this video more educative, please tell me what you are looking at in this gold in this particular week or next week, what you are seeing on gold, so that we can share our mind and also anticipate what gold is going to do next. See you guys on my next video. Peace and love.